Hi guys, welcome back. Chris with you from JC Trading. So no, that wasn't clickbait. The title of this video I stand by. Trading courses simply don't work. And there's a fundamental reason why I don't think that they work. That we're going to come on to in 2 seconds. This is a trade that we've taken in our live Discord today. It was the New York AM session. So this is a trade that I'm currently in and was taken with our members. It's a free Discord group. You can pop over, join, watch us trade live and ask any questions you might have. So without further ado, let's get on to the main purpose of this video, and that is trading courses don't work. So before I start this video, I want to give you some pre-qualification, I suppose. Every trade that we take in our group is documented. Now, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to make you sign up to anything. This is purely for information purposes only, so that you know that I hopefully I'm not one of these fly-by-night traders. I'm not a young kid working in my mum's bedroom. I'm a full-time trader. I make my income from trading, not from Discord or affiliates. And these are the results. So these are the results for the last 13 weeks. Obviously this week, this being the current week, we're currently rolling a total of 431 R. So that's over the last 12 and a bit weeks. Total of 431 R. Up above here, you can see week by week exactly how much we have returned. So all of those greens there indicates that there hasn't been a losing week in the last 13. I'm not showing you this to be big-headed or to be arrogant. It's purely to show you that we do know what we're talking about. Now, this week already we're up to 32 R, and that doesn't include the trade that you've just seen. So, oh, and also if you do want to look at a breakdown of week by week, if you go over onto the Discord, we've got this weekly results over here. You can go up and every single week has a breakdown. Every single trade that was taken within that week, what type of trade it was, the time it was taken, and what the R was, whether it be a win or a loss. So these are all of our results, all taken live, no Photoshop, no BS, 100% genuine. So now we've got that out of the way, why do I think that trading courses don't work? And that's simply because a recorded video that is made for the masses is not going to answer all of your questions. It needs to be interactive. This is obviously just my opinion. I've traded for just over 6 years now, and I've seen all manner of things. Now, my personal opinion on this is a generic YouTube video. It might point you in the right direction, but it's not, and I repeat, not going to answer all of your questions. Your brain will work differently to mine, will work differently to the next person. So what do we do instead of selling a generic course to people? We offer more of an interactive experience. So we offer two flavors primarily. One is the mentorship, which you can see behind or on the screen now. So what is the mentorship? So it's only comprises of 6 students to start off with. So it's a very intimate class. It's not hundreds of people. You can verbally ask questions. You can type questions in the chat. It's entirely up to you. But we cover everything. And because it's interactive, you might have a question that no one else has. So you can ask that question and we'll answer it. Likewise, everyone else can do the same. So what you end up with is more of a tailored learning experience, because a generic video might answer some of your questions. It might answer some of the next person's questions, but it's very, very unlikely it will answer both of your questions, like all of them. So the mentorship that we cover, it's a 4-week course. It's an hour to an hour and a half per session. And there's 2 sessions with myself and 2 sessions with Johnny, who makes up the other part of JC Trading. And we cover everything from the silver bullet strategy, the inverse strategy, why we get into trades, why we get out of trades, trade management, risk management, how to set the charts up, the indicators we use, literally everything to get you to a point where you are long-term profitable. I've shown you my results here. So those are audited, they're live, they're taken in a live environment. Hopefully you can see that, again, we do know what we're talking about. So between Johnny and I, obviously we can deliver a training course that is bespoke. And that is the mentorship. There's, as I say, 6 people, and we cover everything how we trade, and we are long-term profitable. If you want to do the same, we've got a proven track record, you've already seen that, you can also achieve that goal. So the mentorship is one option. Now, the other option is one-to-ones. So what's a one-to-one? Well, a one-to-one is the mentorship on steroids, really. They last between 3 and 4 hours. They can cover anything you want them to cover, but it is bespoke. So we ascertain what it is that you need from your trading. Do you have trading drawdown? What sessions can you trade? What strategy do you prefer? Do you like both the inverse and the silver bullet, or do you only prefer one? Have you got your accounts currently? Are they in drawdown? We cover everything, but by the end of it, it's bespoke to you. So you end up with a tailored risk plan, you end up with a tailored trade plan, everything. But the whole point to this is not necessarily what it is that we're telling you. It's the fact that you can interact with us. That is why I think trading courses don't work, and what most of them are lacking is this personal touch. Giving you the opportunity to ask questions, to then ask a question about that question and really dive as deep as you want to, so that you have all of your answers, your questions answered. We are long-term profitable. We can get you there, and I can guarantee we will get you there if you have this tuition and you follow it. I can guarantee you. Now, you might decide tuition isn't for you. Fine, you can come and watch us stream live for free. We're not pushing these on anyone. This video is really just to educate our members and hopefully you, the general public, as to potentially what you should be looking for from a mentor, from training. And that is, in my opinion, something that's more interactive, because generic videos from experience just don't work. So if you're worried, okay, well, this guy's got some track results, he's got a track record. What are people saying? Well, we have a one-to-one review section. Now, all of these people in here have had one-to-one sessions with us. They've had bespoke trading plans. Everything has been developed for them. And this is feedback. These are members. You can read it for yourselves. It's not made up. It's not fake. So these are people that have had them, enjoying them, and are now profitable. We've also got some general testimonials. And I can never find this. Where has it gone? You'll have to take my word for it. Oh, there it is, testimonials. These, again, are testimonials just from people that have joined our group. So they haven't had necessarily any training. They haven't been in any sessions. These are just testimonials from people that have been on our group. So hopefully from today, I've proved that we are profitable. I say there's no Photoshop, there's no BS. It's 100% legitimate. I've spoken through why I think trading courses don't work and what we've done to try and overcome that. And that is by obviously offering the mentorship and the one-to-ones. Obviously, we also trade live as well, so you don't have to do any of the courses. You don't have to do anything. You can come and watch for free. What I would urge you to do, though, is just join the Discord server. Like you could be like all these other people here and see a significant improvement in your trading. We are profitable. We are long-term profitable, and we can get you there. It's just how much work you're prepared to put in, how much time you're prepared to put in on the charts, and whether or not you decide to have any kind of tutoring. If you don't, it'll just take you longer to get there. If you do have tutoring, you'll get there quicker. But yeah, that's why I don't think trading courses work, and why I think you should probably pop over to the Discord server and watch a stream. And if you've got any questions, feel free to ask them over there, and I will only be too happy to answer your concerns or queries or just general questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.